Back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your region or location. So don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store app and search here. Just write Roblox and search. Your Roblox apps update available. Make sure update. And then open your Roblox official app. Please wait for loading. Now tap on down right corner, just more, and scroll down, just tap on help and safety, and then tap on help. Search here Roblox location. And search here. Scroll down. Go back. Again back. And click on violation and apples. And tap on support. Apple something not showing. Fill up this form. Valid information. You write username and your profile name. Then your email address, valid email address, and confirm previous email address. And then tap on device type. Choose your device. My device is Android phone. And then tap on help category type. Scroll down. Just tap on how to. And then tap on help subcategory type. Then tap on how to change my location. And then please describe your issue. Write your issue. My account location in Roblox is wrong and I want to change it. My official location is your location name here. Then I hope you guys can fix it. Then continue. I hope you will change your location when Roblox support team notify you. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.